Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am learning. So what is that called?
Seeds, Bees, and Pollen by Julie Lung- Lundgren.
Okay, let's watch it till it ends. Ah!
Bees and Pollen by Julie K. Lundgren, Science Content Editor, Christy Liu, Rourke Educational Media, Copyright 2013. Table of Contents. Plants make more plants. Page 4. Flowering plants. Page 6. Plants without flowers. Page 12. Show what you know. Page 22. Glossary. Page 23. Index. Page 24. Plants make more plants. All living things reproduce, including plants. Different types of plants reproduce in different ways. Some kinds of plants make fruit in order to reproduce. Do you know how each of these plants reproduces? Flowering plants. Many plants use flowers to reproduce. Flowers make pollen and seeds. Flowers must trade their pollen with other flowers to make seeds. Pollen looks like golden dust on butterflies. Pollen. Flower pollen travels on the wind or on animals. Butterflies, birds, bees, bats, and other pollinators sip sweet flower nectar. As they feed, pollen sticks to their bodies and brushes off on the next flower. Now that the flower has pollen from another flower, it can begin making seeds. Pollen. Bee food. Bees also eat pollen. Honeybees and bumblebees have special pouches on their back legs for carrying pollen back to the hive. Plants have enough pollen for reproduction and for bees. Pollen. Plants without flowers. Flowerless plants reproduce in other ways. Mosses and ferns make spores. Spores make new plants without using pollen or flowers. Ferns make spores inside the bumps on the back of their leaves. Conifers make seeds inside cones. Cones need pollen to make seeds. Only wind carries conifer pollen to new trees. The cones must be open for gravity or wind to carry the seeds to new places to grow. Some plants reproduce by copying themselves. Strawberry plants have runners that grow out from the main plant and sprout new plants. Runners grow above ground. One strawberry plant can grow many runners. Main plant, runner, new plants. Strawberry plants flower too. They can grow from runners or seeds. Underground stems called rhizomes can sprout new plants. Rhizomes and runners make plants exactly like the mother plant. Rhizome. Many kinds of grasses reproduce from rhizomes. Whether they use flowers, cones, special stems, or spores, plants find ways to reproduce. Flowers, cones, rhizome, spores. Show what you know. 1. Why are pollinators important to flowering plants? 2. How do flowerless plants reproduce? 3. Strawberry plants reproduce two ways. Can you think of other plants that use more than one way to reproduce? Glossary. Conifers. Trees that make cones, including pines, spruce, and other evergreens. Nectar. sweet liquid inside flowers that bees and other animals use for food. Pollen. Pollen. Tiny grains made by seed plants and transported by wind or animals to a new plant for the purpose of making seeds. Pollinators. Pollinators. Animals that carry pollen from flower to flower. Reproduce. Reproduce. Make more of itself. Rhizomes. Rhizomes. Thick, underground horizontal stems that produce roots and have shoots that develop into new plants. Runners. Runners. Thin, above-ground stems that grow out from the main plant and put down roots to form new plants. Spores. Spores. Tiny, powdery grains made by ferns and mosses in order to grow new plants without seed making.
Alright. Let me start and complete. Okay, see you guys on the next video. Bye.